Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Be it the 60 MLAs in the state of Meghalaya, we are against the mining of uranium. Number one. And in the government, I'm telling you, our stand is very, very clear. Whether you pass in the form of resolution or no, but I'm telling you, as long as the MDA government is there, believe me, we will not allow uranium mining to take place in the state of Meghalaya. Point number two. In the event of the ruling of the Supreme Court way back in 2019, where reconfirmation of ownership, land ownership in the state of Meghalaya, it's very clear now. Even if the government, be it state government or central government, wanted to explore of mining activities, extracting uranium from our state, it will never be able to happen. It is not going to happen at all until and unless the landowners themselves is agreeable. If they don't agree, nobody can do anything, nobody can touch. So therefore, I think this issue of uranium mining, as far as state government is concerned, it is a closed chapter. We close it, we don't talk it. That's what I'm telling you. Whether resolution or no resolution, but let me make it clear, our stand is very, very clear that we will not allow mining of uranium in the state of Meghalaya. The moment we took over the government way back in 2018 till today, I'm telling you, there was no such pressure from the government of India for mining of uranium in the state of Meghalaya. That I am not aware whether it's shut down or not, because the UCIL, they have maybe other activities, like a survey of India, like a geological survey of India. Maybe they have other programs, other activities, be it in the state or be it in the northeastern states as well.